What's up, everybody? Got a few questions. I'm gonna try to answer this quick video. Um, this is like one of my little quick routines for moisturizing my hair, my locks. A lot of people ask me, how often do I put oil in my hair, or even if I do put oil in my hair, because some people don't put anything in their locks until it's time for a retwist. Me myself, my scalp itches like crazy if I don't do that. So I had to come up with a little oil remedy for myself. Now, you gotta first, I guess you could say, experiment with products and find out which oil your hair like, because for me, olive oil was the worst. It like dried my hair, it made it break. So I kept digging around till I found what my hair likes. And if you're watching a lot of dreadlock videos, you probably done heard that term before, all natural hair. Find something that your hair likes. Excuse me, I got sinus drainage, sorry about that. But this is pretty much all I do. I have 2 spray bottles. One is water, and the other one is the oil that, I use on my hair. So my wife hit me to this game, watching her do her natural hair growth journey, and this seemed to work pretty good. These little bottles right here, I think we paid like $1 a piece for them at Walmart or something like that. But I just open it up until it sprays into a wide mist, my water, and I just spray until it's soaked the way I like it. Everybody has their own way of doing their hair. As a person that always had a bald head, this is new to me. Excuse me if I sound like I'm rambling a little bit, but this is new to me. I'll cut hair, so I always kept a bald head and a fade. So, all this is new to me, and I'm bumping into people that is new to also, to the men out there starting this long hair journey. Dreads, fro, whatever you're doing, your locks. But I rubbed the water all the way down into my scalp, basically, until my hair is soaked good enough with the water, because I was taught that helps it takes the oil a little bit better. So after I get it soaked in like that, I come back with my oil. And it's a mixture in here. I got a mixture that I made. You can mess around and play until you find different oils you like. I have a combination of oils in this tea tree oil. Dang, I can't think of the other one. I think black seed oil maybe. But anyway, you'll find what your hair like, and then if your hair like it, you'll tell. It won't break, it won't feel dry, it'll hold moisture better, or just do what you want it to do. But anyway, we're still talking about locks, so there's no such thing as perfect. All right, so now I take my oil and I spray it in my hand. And I rub it together just like you would some hair grease. And I just rub it through my dreads, through my locks, until I get it pretty much like I want it. I try not to get it too greasy, but that's it. And don't sleep on your pillowcase if it's cotton or any material like cotton, unless you got a scarf, some type of do-rag, dread sock, because it puts stuff in your hair and it help dries it out even quicker. So me and myself, I use what they call a dread sock. And I wish I had it in here with me now to show you, but usually you want to put something like this on it, something like that on it before you go to bed, so it holds your moisture. Now, I'm not a hair guru, but as a guy, you'd be looking for fellas to help you out, because you ain't trying to, I don't want to offend nobody, but you ain't trying to do too much woman stuff. If I don't even know the word to say. I just say if you just want to look manly, you want to sound manly when you're trying to get something done to your hair. Let's just put it like that and leave it like that. I want to stay politically correct. Nothing against anybody that has different feelings about their gender or whatever. I ain't judging nobody, just trying to speak on my own. Well, anyway, like I say, that's my little moisture trick I use. I do it maybe once or twice a week, depending on how the weather is, if my hair is really dry, if my scalp is really itching. So that's it for now. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.